Dents and scratches from minor collisions or hailstorms damage a car's appearance and can cause rust and lower resale value if not repaired promptly. Prompt dent repair is crucial to maintain both aesthetics and structural integrity. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) is a fast, cheap, and eco-friendly way to fix small dents by reshaping metal without repainting. PDR is fast, usually completed within 1-2 hours, preserves original paint, and is widely accepted by insurance companies. However, traditional repair remains necessary for deep dents or when paint is damaged, involving sanding, filling, and repainting to achieve a flawless finish. While DIY dent kits are popular for minor fixes, they often fail to provide professional quality results and can worsen damage or void warranties. Professional technicians provide reliable repairs with warranties, free inspections, insurance help, and convenient mobile services often completed within an hour. Choosing a reputable service involves considering technician credentials, client reviews, warranty offerings, clear pricing, and mobile repair availability. Cost varies by dent size. Small dents cost around $75 to $150 via PDR. Medium dents, $150 to $300. And larger damage, requiring traditional repair, is more expensive. Modern dent repair tech and mobile services make fixing dents easy, affordable, and convenient, preserving your car's value and look. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.